Hi everyone, I'm doing another pour. I've just done one, that's why the table is dirty. And I'm going to do another one now. Now, this one is going to be flip cups. So what I am doing is I am just layering, general layering. I don't think there's anything in there. Hold on. Just randomly layering colors, and I'm doing 2 cups here, so just random colors, layers of into 2 cups. I have white, titanium white I think it is, with a little bit of treadmill oil, silicone oil in, so just a little bit of that white in between the layers every now and again, which hopefully is going to bring out some cells. So just randomly layering colors into the cups. And I squirt onto the sides of the cup so that, I don't know, the colors don't mix quite as much maybe. Just like that, and I think a little bit of black. Just not much. I've already prepped the canvas with the push pins and the tape. I need to put gloves on, although at this point it's too late, my hands are already full of paint. I'm going to put a little bit of a base down. This is just normal white now, this doesn't have any silicone oil in. Oh, and before we start, I'll show you. This is the silicone oil I got off Amazon. Treadmill silicone oil. So, and now I'm just going to spread this around. Again, it just helps the paint to glide when you're tilting. We love getting dirty. Right, now all we do is we take our paints and we flip them. And we take the second cup and we flip it. And now we just wait for the paints to do whatever it is they do in there. And we'll just wait just a couple moments. Okay, it's been about a minute, so that's long enough. Now, when you lift the cups, it's up to you, really. You can lift it straight up, but then what usually happens is paint from the cup drips down and it'll leave marks and stuff on the paint. Now, to be honest, I don't mind that because it adds to the painting, if you ask me. But the way that most people do it is to tilt the cup and pull it away. I am going to just lift them. 1, 2, 3. And straight away you can see cells. I haven't done anything with them and there's cells already, which is awesome. I love that. Here's another trick. Take a piece of cardboard and now put the cardboard, you just fold it like that, and you hold the cardboard over the edge like that. And now you just tilt down to that cardboard. And back again. Always pull your paints back to the middle. Okay, now I can go to the next corner again with the cardboard, and from there and down to the corner and back again, back to the middle, and now this corner. And down. And back to the middle. And last corner. Hope you can see it. Right. And just over that side, over there. Okay. Wow. Oh wow, I love it. I love it. So you can now, if you have a lot of paint on the canvas, you can tilt some of it off. You can look, you know, if there's any part of the painting that you're not particularly fond of, and you can tilt it off. So I didn't really like that, so now I can bring the paint back to the middle. And I actually don't like that little piece over there, so I'm going to tilt that off too, because I do have enough paint on the canvas. That's it. That's it. Stop. Now, that's also the trick. When you get your painting to a point where you actually like it, stop. Because you can so quickly go too far and ruin it. So now just cover the sides again with paint, and the paint will run down. Okay, let's see if I can get you down without dropping you right in the paint. Look at the purple in that. The turquoise is also very pretty. Sorry, it's very wiggly trying to show you. I can't get it higher than that. But there we go. So now I just have to torch it. This might bring out even more cells. You can see more cells are still forming. These little cells, these came after I tortured it. And if I torch it now, more might still come. And it's because of the silicone. So let's... Yeah, more came there. Well, that's it. I'm not doing anything with this painting anymore. It is done. And wow. Oh, I do like it. I do definitely like it. So we'll see how it dries.